they sell like the camera by itself, and I think it comes with a microphone, but it doesn't come with like the accessories. And I think what makes this great is the accessories. So yeah, I didn't even open up I didn't even get a memory card because I don't know if it comes with one. So this is what this is all that's in the box. Bunch of things that I'll read, I promise. And then it comes, I don't know what's in here. Okay, so it comes with, this is the carrier case. And this is the bag that it comes with. I guess this is if you want to bring everything, you can just, this is the actual carry case. This is like if you're just you're going out on a vlogging day. So this is how it looks. This is so exciting. So here is the camera. Try to be very careful with it, but this is the camera. Like, how discreet, how discreet. Anyway, let's put it down. And then this is the battery. Apparently the battery lasts quite long. So this is the battery. And when you attach them, this is how big it is. Oh, is this the additional battery? Okay, it's charging right now. So I think that's the additional battery, like the spare battery. Okay, so okay. This is the microphone it comes with. And then I don't know what it's called, but the like, you know, the little fluffer for the microphone. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, that. It snaps into place, but I don't. There we go. So literally, you could just wear it on you. Okay. So this is, so I think this is mounted to insert the battery handle into Osmo without holding and releasing the protect. Okay, so I think this is the first, this is the battery that it comes with. And I think this is like the backup battery. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It comes with some charging cables. Oh, that's so good. It comes with a chip for me to, right? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm gonna actually have to read the manual. And then this is the tripod. And what I love about this camera is that it has like a motion, so I can literally put it on my kitchen counter and it'll just like track me as I walk back and forth. And it's great because I often film in the kitchen. And then this is just additional lenses that go over the pocket or the camera. I'm so
My baby girl, first time I held you, and because mommy had a C-section, I got to hold you on my chest first out of anybody. So you touched my chest before anybody else in this world. You touched my chest, baby. You were right on my chest. I remember you were right on my little hairy chest. You were right there. What else was it? Like, this is my baby girl. And I said we shall name her Sienna after Sienna.
I like a leather couch. I would do like a small leather couch in like an office.
Cheese, plastic cheese. That's like from a Peppa Pig. That's
This is nice.
Mommy, this is like it's a house.
Yes, come buddy.
And it's a shop. Look,
Hey!
why do we have to do
So wait,
that?
lip sticks out?
The lips are like
Wait, lips.
So this is sticking out?
because when we do it, it's gonna be like that, so it's gonna be on the outside, right? At least that's what I think. That wouldn't be on the inside, would it? Or would they? That's the inside of it. I don't know.
No, I can touch
Don't touch the picture.
Now I have to get used to go down.
Yeah. Wait, Chance. Wait for Sienna to go down.
Hey guys, I feel like I look so shiny, but yeah, today is Saturday, and we just put together Sienna's and Chance their bunk bed. We feel so exhausted. Unfortunately, my husband, well, it was like the easiest thing to do. He's picking up groceries. We bought some pizza for the kids. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we bought some pizza for the kids. So they're eating that right now. It's around 4 o'clock. Usually on Saturdays or Sundays, I'll make like dinner earlier, but not this early, but they didn't have like a hearty lunch and they ate like really early, so I didn't want them to starve. Chance TMI threw up, and yeah, so it was a whole thing. I just wanted them to have something in their tummies. So anyway, I ended up eating one slice of pizza. I know, Weight Watchers, but I think it's equivalent to, or not, it's not equivalent to, it's 8 points. So I have that, and I have my dinner. I think I'm gonna make like kung pao chicken. I think I have like 9 points left or something like that. So it's gonna be like veggies and chicken for dinner for me. But I want to eat more of the pizza so bad, but I'm not, because I know it's not gonna work for me. Oh, I went to the, don't mind the mess. Like, honestly, I feel like the house is just so incredibly messy. Oh, by the way, I'm shooting on the Osmo, so let me know if in all of the footage you saw from Ikea, like today, going to Ikea, all of that is from is on the Osmo. So yeah, let me know like if you like it. I think like it's a small screen, a small playback screen, and I'm not used to this small screen. I'm used to like a bigger one, but like what I was picking up, it just looked so good. So I don't know. I think this is like a great investment. Yeah, I think it's a really, really, really good investment. I would, so far, 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I'm telling you, I was in Ikea and it's so discreet. This camera's small. Yeah?
I just started my other one.
Oh, good job. This camera's so discreet. You don't feel obnoxious, like pulling out this big thing, or like if you're me hiding in a corner trying to like take video. For me, it's just, I don't want to capture people or their kids in the video. Like, obviously, if it's the back of their head, fine, but I try not to capture anyone really, unless they like wanted to be in it. So yeah, it's really great. My face feels so tight, guys. I've been using the Ordinary retinol, and then I also been using niacinamide by The Ordinary. My face just feels so like I can't do anything. I feel like I can't do anything. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put away the groceries when Chris gets back with them. Yeah, life is good. I have nothing to complain about. I'm really excited. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys about, I was listening to Oprah's podcast, Super Soul Sunday podcast. I know she has a bunch, but anyway, that podcast, and she had Jamie can't remember her name. Sorry. But I'll put it on the screen. She's the founder. Yes?
I know that girl.
Oh. Yeah, she's the founder of It Cosmetics, and she sold the company to L'Oreal for like a record-setting amount, like $1 billion, something like that. Anyway, she was promoting her new book, and the title is like Unworthy something 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 something. You gotta look it up. Anyway, just a lot of what she was saying just really spoke to me. So much of it was so good. I really I need to buy her book. I need to buy her book. So I think the book comes out February 20th. You're coming home with me. Like I need to I need to buy that book. Anyway, I'm gonna get the groceries when he comes home, pack them away, and I will probably some milk, 2 of these, eggs, and then let's do meat. For meats, we got some chicken strips for Sienna's lunch. We got some pork. We got some ground chicken, shrimp, turkey bacon for me, and then my family regular bacon. And then we got some turkey ground meat, and we also have chicken breast, and then some chicken wings. So that's it for meat. Oh, I forgot to show you these nibblers from Orange. There's cheese. I don't know how many calories are in it. It says high in protein. I'm gonna scan this. But anyway, this was a free sample from Walmart. So obviously I'm gonna get it. I forgot that a whole chicken was on sale too. So I got that. It was $7. I couldn't pass it up. I think we're really good for this week. For fruits, we have frozen berries. I got some bananas. I think that's it. We have a bunch of apples and oranges in the fridge, and grapes, so I didn't need to pick up that. And veggies, green onions. I have a few things in the fridge. Chives and a bunch of cilantro. I need to get some avocados to have like a little cute snack. Got these are all low in points. This is only, it's a smaller bag too, but this is only 2 points per 9 chips. So if any of you are on Weight Watchers, great. These are great. They're like popcorn pretty much. And I just put away some chips. The chips are for the and this is like the last bit of random stuff. I got some tuna, tomato sauce, chili powder, floss. This is for the family. Some penne pasta, and I wanted to try this. PF Chang has a bunch of new things, so yeah, I wanted to give this one a try. Unfortunately, at one point this was a sample, but I guess it's not a sample anymore, so I had to buy it, but it was on sale. And then lastly, Dawn dish soap. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make this tonight. I'm gonna make some kung pao chicken. Some kung pao chicken. And that'll be it.